Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, auto repair software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today. In this video, you'll learn how to set up an online booking page as a shop owner. Let's head over to the Appointments section and click on Settings. At the top of the page, you'll find the Preview button. This will show you exactly how clients will see your booking page. It's important to first set up your working hours, business days, and list your services so clients can only book appointments during your available time slots. Once you do that and customize your online booking page, feel free to share the booking page with your clients. You can give your clients access to book appointments through a shareable link, a QR code, or by integrating the booking page into your website. Furthermore, you can adjust the logo size, add a page headline, and include a supporting message that explains what clients can do on this page or describes your services. Here, you can specify all of the contact and company information you want to display on your online booking page. You can customize the colors to match your business branding. From here, you can drag and drop a custom background image to make your booking page more visually appealing. You also have the option to add a lunch break and set up weekend working hours according to your preferences. You can choose how many customers can book the same time slot, whether customers can book 30-minute or 1-hour appointments, and set the minimum advance notice required before accepting bookings. For example, if you enter 5 here, customers won't be able to book appointments with less than 5 hours notice. From here, you can select any days when you do not accept appointments. Once you have everything set up, click Save. You can add standard services that clients will be able to select when booking an appointment. Simply click Add Service and fill in all of the details. By default, all appointments are 1 hour long, regardless of the services selected. If you enable this option, the appointment duration will be calculated based on the selected services, using the standard labor time you've already specified for each service. If you want to allow clients to book custom services, leave this option disabled. If you enable it, customers will only be able to select services from the available services list that you have created. Once all of these settings are configured, make sure to save your changes. On the booking form page, you can customize the field names to match your business style. However, some fields are required and cannot be hidden. All selected vehicle types will appear in the list of vehicles your shop services. This helps customers know whether you work on their type of vehicle. You can also add custom fields, such as urgency level, or any other information you'd like to collect. When you're done, click Save Form Changes. You have the option to automatically confirm online appointments as soon as they are created. Alternatively, you can manually confirm appointments in the Appointments section by opening the appointment and selecting Appointment Confirmed. You also have the option to disable your online booking page or use the deprecated booking page. However, we do not recommend using the deprecated page unless you experience major issues with the new one. After all changes have been made and saved, you can preview your booking page to make sure all your customizations are in place and everything looks the way you want. You can create manual appointments inside the appointment calendar. To do so, click the plus button or simply double-click on the desired date where you want to book the appointment. Then select the time slot for when you want to perform that service. Then select the client, the vehicle, and here you can add any other appointment details. You have the option to call, email, or send an SMS to your client to confirm the appointment. You also have the option to send an email or SMS reminder before the date. The appointment colors help you instantly recognize whether it is confirmed, unconfirmed, online or offline, or if it has been canceled by the client. You can also remove a confirmation from a booking by clicking on it and selecting Remove Confirmation, or confirm any unconfirmed appointments that have been created by your clients. To completely delete the appointment, click on it, go to More, and simply hit Delete Appointment. You can also easily search for an appointment by name, license plate, or technician. Thanks for watching. And remember, you can access all ARI features by going Pro. You can do this in ARI settings. See you on the next one.